in today's video I am going to show you two beautiful plants, Purple Heart and Tradescantia, which are easy to grow in your houses. First I am going to tell about Purple Heart. Purple Heart's scientific name is Secretia pallida. It is also known as purple spiderwort, Tradescantia pallida, and Tradescantia's scientific name is Roeospate. It can be also called as boat lily, oyster plant, violet grass, and also Roeo discolor. These Purple Heart and also Tradescantia both can be kept in outdoors and also indoors too. When you keep Purple Heart in indoors, it doesn't bloom. But when you keep Purple Heart in your Purple Heart plant where you get sunlight, it blooms. But I think that only the leaves of the Purple Heart plant give the plant a beauty, because the flowers are so tiny that we can't see them, because the flower comes between two leaves. The both leaves will cover the flower. First I am going to tell how you can propagate both of the plants. Purple Heart can be propagated through cuttings, and Tradescantia too. They can be propagated in water as well as soil. First I am going to show you Purple Heart cuttings. Here I am having Purple Heart cuttings in water and also soil. Here I am having them in soil. This is the mother plant. From this mother plant I took a few cuttings, and this cutting took 20 days for developing new roots and also new plants. I am also having Tradescantia's cuttings in soil. This is in soil. I am not having Tradescantia in water. I think that Purple Heart's cutting can do well in only soil. I am going to show you how you can propagate them. Here I am having some soil in these both pots. Now I am going to keep these cuttings in this soil. Here I took a cutting. I use this one for keeping a hole. And I am going to just press it here. And I am going to take another cutting. Do the same with this cutting too. Put a hole in the soil. Press it. Do this process very gently because it may harm the stem. And I am going to add some more soil for making it support. And I am going to use a spray bottle for watering them. If you are not having a spray bottle, you can also directly add water. But I want these leaves to be washed, so I am using a spray. If you are not having spray, if you want your spray, you can recycle old sprays, or you can get them in online too. Now I am going to show you how you can propagate Tradescantia plant. So here, as I showed you, this is growing in soil. I am going to show you how you can propagate these cuttings in soil. Here I am having a few cuttings in soil. As you can see, a few stems are bended like this. I don't want this stem to be like this. I want to cut this cutting, and I want to propagate this plant. I took a scissors and I'm going to just cut it. When you're cutting the plant, make sure that you're cutting near to the knot or from the place where you get the leaves. Like here, I have to cut it. So I'm going to just take a cutting from there. So like this I took a cutting. Now because from here the roots roots should come, so I'm going to remove all the leaves which are near to the stem. I'm removing 3 leaves from the bottom. And here I'm having a mixture of coco peat and some gardening soil. I'm just going to press it and add some water to the plant. Here I'm also doing the same as I told you before, as I did for purple heart plant. I'm making a hole here and I'm going to press this cutting. After pressing this cutting, I'm going to just keep the soil like this, and I'm going to press it again. Now I'm going to add some water to it. These both plants are easy to grow, as you can see, just putting them in soil and adding some water to them. These both plants will take 20 days or near to 10 days too. So I'll just show you these plants in every video whenever they just start growing their leaves. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, please like, share, and if you didn't subscribe my channel till now, subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon so that you can receive all the notifications whenever I upload the video. Thanks for watching.